In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the Adobe Acrobat failed to load its core DLL error message. So let's jump straight into it, and the first thing you need to do is head over to your Start menu, search for Settings, and then click on the Settings window. From the left-hand side, come over to Apps and select Installed Apps, and then scroll down to locate Adobe Acrobat, and we're just going to select these three horizontal dots and click Modify. Then you'll have this window pop up. Just go ahead and press Next, click on Repair and press Next, and then go ahead and press Update. So you just need to wait a few minutes while this validates all of your files and folders, and this will just perform a quick scan to try and detect any issues with your files. So once this is finished, we can just click on Finish, and you can also try repairing your files by launching up Adobe Acrobat. Head over to the top left-hand navigation and then come down to Help and click Repair Installation. Now obviously if you can't load up Adobe Acrobat, then you won't be able to do this. And then you can just go ahead and press Yes. And this is another way to repair your files. So if that's still not fixed the issue for you, another thing we can do is come back over to Adobe Acrobat, come over to the left-hand navigation and come down to Preferences. From this left-hand navigation, scroll all the way down to Security Enhanced. Come over to Enable Protected Mode at Startup, and you just want to uncheck this box here. You'll get this security pop-up, so just go ahead and press Yes. And then finally, we can close out with this window to save our changes, and you can try restarting the application to check if that's now fixed it. Now another thing you can do to fix this error message is just head over to your Start menu and search for Registry Editor. Click on the Registry Editor tab, and then from here we want to expand H-key current user. Come down to Software and expand this folder. Head over to Adobe and expand this inside of Adobe Acrobat, DC, and then scroll down and select this folder labeled Privileged. Now from here you'll have this file called Be Protected Mode. Then you're just going to double click on Be Protected Mode to open up this file. And if you have the value data here of 1, we're now just going to change this to 0 and press OK. And then you can close out of the registry editor and once again check if that's now fixed it. The very last thing we can do is just head over to your Adobe Creative Cloud app and then head over to Home in this left-hand panel. Come over to Updates from the right-hand side and just make sure you're running the latest version of Adobe Acrobat. If there are any pending updates, then it will be listed inside of here. So just go ahead and install them now. And that's it guys, that's how you fix the failed to load its core issue in Adobe Acrobat. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.